In this video, we are going to update the off-cycle dates for a spring 2021 off-cycle course. Any off-cycle courses that were set to begin between January 19th and 22nd will need to be updated now that the start date for spring 2021 is January 25th. In order to make updates to this course, we are going to use the Reset to Planning button. We get a confirmation message that the section has been returned to planning status, and we will now be able to edit our course dates. We will need to edit both the override start and end dates as well as the time and location information. First, I'm going to click on override start date, and I am going to choose a week later than the course was initially set to begin, and do the same for the end date and save. When we return to summary, we now see that the dates in the time location field do not match, so we will need to update those as well. We will click time and location and edit the existing line and edit these dates. We will save, and when we return to summary, we will see that the dates are no longer in red because they match. At this point, if you needed to make any adjustments to the delivery modes or categories, you could do that as well. When everything has been adjusted, you can click Submit to Workflow, and the section will route to the Office of the Registrar for review and approval.